Welcome to the world of coffee tables, where style meets functionality. In every home, the coffee table serves as a central gathering spot, playing a pivotal role in social interactions and daily life. Whether you're enjoying a cozy night in, hosting friends for a gathering, or simply sipping your morning coffee, the coffee table is there to support your moments of connection and relaxation. As one of the most versatile pieces of furniture, coffee tables come in an array of designs, materials, and sizes to suit any aesthetic and lifestyle. From sleek modern designs to rustic vintage options, there's a coffee table for every taste. In this exploration, we'll delve into the rich history, evolving designs, and practical considerations of coffee tables, highlighting how they enhance our living spaces and reflect our personal style. Join us as we uncover the many facets of this essential home accessory. If you enjoyed this video, we're sure you'll love what's coming next. To support the growth of our channel and ensure you never miss out on our latest content, please take a moment to subscribe and smash that notification button. By doing so, you'll stay updated on all our upcoming videos, giving you access to exciting new insights, tips, and engaging discussions. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating the content you love. Join our community today and be part of our journey as we explore even more captivating topics together. Coffee tables. Coffee tables are integral to modern living rooms, providing a central spot for everything from drinks to books. They foster social interaction, serving as a gathering point where friends and family can relax, converse, and enjoy snacks. The right coffee table can enhance the room's atmosphere, making it feel more inviting and cohesive. Historical context. The coffee table originated in the 19th century, primarily in Europe, as a low table designed for serving coffee. The rise of coffee culture, especially in cafes, led to the table's popularity in homes, reflecting the social customs of the time. Over the decades, the coffee table has evolved in style and function, adapting to the changing needs of society. Design variations. Coffee tables come in a multitude of designs, catering to various tastes and home aesthetics. Traditional designs often feature ornate woodwork, while contemporary styles might emphasize sleek lines and minimalism. Mid-century modern tables are renowned for their unique shapes and functionality, merging form with purpose. Materials used. The materials used in coffee tables significantly influence their durability and aesthetic. Wood, a classic choice, offers warmth and character, while glass provides an airy, open feel, making spaces appear larger. Metal tables add a modern touch, and stone options can convey elegance and robustness, each material contributing to the table's overall style and function. Size considerations. Selecting the right size for a coffee table is critical to maintaining a harmonious living space. Ideally, the table should be about 2/3 the length of the sofa and around 16 to 18 inches high, allowing for comfortable use without obstructing views. The table's height should align with the seating for optimal accessibility. Shape matters. The shape of a coffee table plays a significant role in its usability. Rectangular tables are classic and versatile, fitting well in most spaces. Square tables offer symmetry, while round tables promote a more casual, intimate atmosphere, facilitating easier movement in tighter areas. Choosing the right shape can enhance both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Multifunctional uses. Modern coffee tables often serve multiple purposes beyond just holding drinks. Some designs incorporate built-in storage solutions such as shelves, drawers, or even lift-top surfaces that reveal hidden compartments. These multifunctional tables are especially beneficial in smaller living spaces, maximizing utility without sacrificing style. Style integration. A coffee table should complement the overall decor of the room. Whether the style is rustic, industrial, modern, or traditional, the table can either blend in or stand out as a statement piece. Color, material, and design elements should harmonize with other furniture and decor to create a cohesive look. Popular trends. Current trends in coffee table design reflect broader lifestyle changes. Minimalist designs emphasize clean lines and functional forms, while vintage and retro styles are making a comeback. Eco-friendly materials and sustainable practices are increasingly prioritized, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Customization options. Many consumers now seek customizable coffee tables that suit their specific needs and preferences. Retailers often offer options for size, shape, material, and finish, allowing individuals to create a piece that perfectly fits their living space and personal style. Cultural variations. Cultural differences greatly influence coffee table design and use. In many Middle Eastern homes, for instance, low tables are accompanied by floor cushions, promoting a relaxed, communal seating arrangement. In contrast, Western designs often focus on higher tables suitable for dining or casual use, reflecting different social customs. Care and maintenance. Proper care and maintenance are essential for preserving the beauty and functionality of a coffee table. Wooden tables may require regular polishing and conditioning to prevent scratches and wear, while glass tables benefit from frequent cleaning to avoid smudges. Understanding the specific needs of the materials used is crucial for longevity. Care and maintenance. Proper care and maintenance are essential for preserving the beauty and functionality of a coffee table. Wooden tables may require regular polishing and conditioning to prevent scratches and wear, while glass tables benefit from frequent cleaning to avoid smudges. Understanding the specific needs of the materials used is crucial for longevity. Coffee table books. Coffee tables often showcase decorative books, known as coffee table books, which are larger, visually appealing volumes that cover various topics, from art and photography to travel and fashion. These books serve as both decorative elements and conversation starters, adding personality and culture to the living space. Artistic designs. Some coffee tables are designed as artistic statements, featuring unique shapes, colors, and materials that challenge traditional forms. These tables can become focal points within a room, drawing attention and admiration while reflecting the owner's taste and creativity. The role of accessories. Accessories play a vital role in enhancing the visual appeal of a coffee table. Items such as decorative trays, candles, vases, and coasters can be arranged to create a curated look. Thoughtful accessory choices can reflect personal style and contribute to the overall decor theme of the room. Seasonal decor. Many homeowners enjoy changing their coffee table decor with the seasons. In spring, fresh flowers and pastel colors might dominate, while autumn could bring in warm hues and seasonal decorations like pumpkins. This practice keeps the living space feeling fresh and engaging throughout the year. Budget considerations. Coffee tables are available at a wide range of price points, making it accessible for various budgets. From affordable, mass-produced options to bespoke, handcrafted pieces, individuals can find a coffee table that fits their financial constraints without compromising on style or quality. DIY projects. For those inclined towards creativity, building a coffee table can be a rewarding DIY project. Many resources and tutorials are available online, guiding enthusiasts through the process of crafting a unique piece tailored to their home and style preferences. This approach allows for personalization and a sense of accomplishment. Vintage and antique options. Vintage and antique coffee tables provide character and history to living spaces. Sourcing unique pieces from flea markets, estate sales, or antique shops can result in one-of-a-kind finds that add a sense of nostalgia and charm to contemporary decor. Trends in color. Color trends for coffee tables fluctuate, with natural wood tones, bold colors, and metallic finishes gaining popularity. Selecting a color that complements the room's palette can enhance the overall aesthetic and create a cohesive look in the living space. The importance of proportions. Proportions matter significantly when selecting a coffee table. A table that is too large can overwhelm the space, while one that is too small may feel insignificant. Proper proportions ensure balance and harmony within the room, contributing to a well-designed environment. Environmental considerations. With a growing emphasis on sustainability, many consumers prioritize eco-friendly materials and practices in their coffee table choices. Bamboo, reclaimed wood, and non-toxic finishes are becoming increasingly popular, reflecting a commitment to environmental responsibility and ethical consumption. Functionality for small spaces and small living areas. Coffee tables that double as ottomans or nesting tables offer flexible solutions. These multifunctional pieces maximize utility while conserving space, helping to create a functional yet stylish environment in limited square footage. Custom-made options. For those seeking something truly unique, custom-made coffee tables are an excellent choice. Collaborating with local artisans or furniture makers allows homeowners to design a piece tailored to their specific style, size, and material preferences, ensuring a perfect fit in their home. The influence of pop culture. Pop culture influences coffee table designs, with themes from movies, television, and music inspiring unique styles. Limited edition tables inspired by popular franchises can serve as conversation pieces and attract collectors. Blending functionality with fandom. The role of texture. Texture plays a significant role in coffee table design. Mixing different materials, such as a wood table with metal accents or a glass top with stone legs, creates visual interest and adds depth to the decor. This tactile variation can enhance the overall aesthetic of the room. The role of texture. Texture plays a significant role in coffee table design. Mixing different materials, such as a wood table with metal accents or a glass top with stone legs, creates visual interest and adds depth to the decor. This tactile variation can enhance the overall aesthetic of the room. Impact of lighting. Lighting can dramatically affect how a coffee table is perceived in a room. Strategically placed lamps or overhead lighting can highlight the table's design and create a cozy atmosphere, making it an inviting spot for relaxation and socializing. Kids and coffee tables. In homes with children, selecting a coffee table with rounded edges and durable materials is essential for safety and practicality. Some families opt for tables that can withstand wear and tear, ensuring that they remain functional despite the demands of a lively household. The evolution of function. The purpose of coffee tables has evolved over time. Initially designed solely for serving drinks, they now cater to diverse functions, including storage, display, and even workspace, adapting to the needs of modern living. Family-friendly designs. Family-friendly coffee tables often incorporate features such as soft surfaces, hidden storage, and durable materials. These designs prioritize safety and practicality, ensuring that the table remains functional and attractive in a busy household. In conclusion, coffee tables are more than just functional furniture. They play a crucial role in defining the atmosphere of a living space. With a plethora of designs, materials, and styles available, there is a coffee table suited for every home, serving as a centerpiece for both utility and aesthetic enjoyment. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. Your likes and subscriptions help us grow and continue delivering more exciting and informative content. We can't wait to share more with you, so stay tuned for our next video.